Good morning, guys. It's me, guys. So right now, you guys, I'm just heading into work. I have a truck right now, so today, because we are using it for the time being till Tuesday. So that's what's going on, you guys. So it's gonna be fun and exciting. Today was a really short day, you guys. It was like around 1 hour, which kind of sucks, but I guess they don't need me in the shop. They don't need me anywhere today, so yeah, today's a really short day. Like it's okay. Sometimes it's good to have a short day, but sometimes it's like, what can I do? So that's what's going on. Just dropped Rachel off at early onset, so that's what's going on, you guys. So it's gonna be fun. Right now, you guys, we're gonna pick up Rachel at early onset, so this is gonna be fun and exciting. Having some mac and cheese and sausage. So right now, you guys, we are walking, so that's what's going on, you guys. It's gonna be fun and exciting. Yeah, you guys, we are playing with my drone, so that's what's going on, you guys. We are playing some drone, so that's what's going on. Okay, today's video, I hope you guys enjoy this episode, guys. Do give a big thumbs up. Good night.